Financing repairs versus replacing the equipment. Repairing equipment can feel cheaper than replacing it, but that is not always true. In Canada, contractors and business owners should compare the repair cost, downtime, age, resale value, and the monthly payment on the replacement before deciding. Now, if the machine is still reliable and the repairs give it more useful life, financing repairs make a lot more sense. But if it keeps breaking down, losing jobs, or draining cash, replacement may be the stronger move. Now, if you already found the equipment, have a quote, or need funding soon, this matters. Here's where owners get caught. They keep repairing because they want to avoid a new payment, but downtime can often cost more than the financing a better asset. Now, the takeaway is simple. Compare the repair cost against the lost revenue and the future reliability. If you're already looking for equipment and need financing for it, feel free to give us a call at 437-777-5901, or if you need repair financing, also give us a call.